Everyone asks me, Tony, which buildings really deliver in Hoboken this year? Let's tour the skyline and break down where lifestyle, value, and location intersect. Walk scores in the 90s, path ridership topping 60 million in 2025, and waterfront parks that feel like your front yard keep demand rising despite market jitters. Rooftop pools, 2 gyms, and a resident shuttle make Maxwell Place the Uptown all-rounder. Median sale price jumped 30% year over year, proof of built-in equity. 37 private residences crown the W Hotel at 225 River. Think valet, room service, and spa access, plus a 60-second walk to the path platform. Converted factories and restored brownstones blend 14-foot ceilings with cafe culture. Free shuttles and Peloton-equipped gyms keep these lofts high on every shortlist. 1,400 Hudson and Harborside lofts push amenities further with cowork pods, automated parking, and rooftop cinemas, perfect for hybrid pros craving turnkey ease. May 2026 brings direct weekend path runs from Hoboken to WTC and 33rd, slicing travel and boosting rental demand for units within 3 blocks of the terminal. I always audit HOA reserves, flood maps, tax abatement clocks, and parking valuations so you avoid nasty surprises and maximize long-term yields. Message me today and unlock our Platinum package, concierge service, VIP perks, and the calm guidance your 2026 move deserves.